start with the question number 2. It is said that give the equation of two lines which passing through the point 2 and 14, or we can say 2, 14, and how many such lines are there and why. So let us understand the questions first, that what the meaning of this question. So this is a point is given, so we have to give the two equations or two lines that can pass from both the points, and how many such lines are there. So as we discussed earlier also that these two are considered as the solution of equation. How to make this from the given values of x and y? Let's see how we can make the solution. x और y के जो हमें values दिए हैं, so let us form an equation. So students, equation can be formed by many different way. So let us understand the simple way. जब भी हमें दो x और y के values दिए हैं, तो हम पहला इक्वेशन सीधा हम बना सकते हैं by doing the addition of these two. So x plus y, you can see it forms 16. This is the first equation. दूसरा इक्वेशन हम कैसे बनाएंगे? You can do the subtraction. तो अगर मैं x minus y करूं, तो you can see I'll get minus 12. So now these two are the lines which we required. जैसा क्वेश्चन में पूछा है, give the equations of two lines which passing from this two point. मतलब this values of x and y are the solution of this both. So how many such lines are there? ऐसे कितने lines हो सकते हैं? So remember that there are infinitely many lines. So we can say that there are many, or we can say infinite lines which passing from this point. कैसे? तो दूसरा हम इक्वेशन बनाएंगे. जैसे x minus y बनाया है, we can also write y minus x is equals to 12. If you observe the relation that y is 7 times x, तो ये एक इक्वेशन ऐसा भी बन सकता है. If I multiply x with 2, तो होगा 2x, और उसमें अगर मैं y ऐड करूं, तो 4 plus 14 तो 18 होगा. So like you can see that we form many equation. Then 3x plus y, 2x minus y, 3x minus y, x plus 2y. हम बहुत सारे इक्वेशंस बना सकते हैं. अगर हम इसको ग्राफिकल मेथड से समझे, दिस इज अ रफ आई एम डूइंग हियर. So where the 2 and 14 supposed to be there? समझ लो 2 इधर है और 14 somewhere here. So this is where this both the points which we can say 240. So from one point, even we'll discuss in the 5th chapter, कि from one point how many line can pass? There are infinitely many line can pass. एक point में से कितने line pass हो सकते हैं? So there are infinitely many line can pass from this point. So this concept will give us that there are infinitely many lines which has the same solution, that is 2 and 14. Let's see this question. This can be the 1 mark objective or sometimes can be the 2 mark question, but 1 mark objective is the major chance to come. It is given that if the point 3, 4 is lies on the graph of the equation, that means 3, 4 is the solution of this equation. 3, 4 is the solution of this equation. Then find the value of A. So we can say that 3, 4 is the solution of given equation. So we can say the value of x is 3 and y is 4. Let us substitute this value of x and y in this equation. 3 into x is equals to a into x, 3 into y is equals to a into x plus 7. So 4 3s are 12 is equals to 3a plus 7. I will take this 7 to the left hand side. So 12 minus 7 is equals to 3a. That is 5. To find out a, I will take this 3 left hand side. So 5 by 3, that is the value of a. So we obtain the value of a, that is 5 by 3. That's so easy, but it is unimportant. Let's see this question. Question number 5. It is said that from the given choice, choose the equation whose graph are given in this diagram. So this is a graph. So we have to find out that this graph is of which of the following equation. First question में हमने क्या किया था? We have the equation and we draw the graph. It is the reverse question. यहाँ पे हमारे पास ग्राफ है. So this graph could be of which equation, वो हमें ढूंढना है. So let's see how we'll find out. First, let us write down all the solutions. पहले हम solutions लिखते हैं of the graph. तो solutions 3 दिए है, -1 1 0 0. See, this is -1 1, this is 0 0 and third is 1 -1. तो हमारे पास x के वैल्यूज 3 है, -1. That time the value of y is 1. So we can write x1 y1. When x2 0, y2 is also 0. And when x3 is 1, y3 is also, y3 is -1. तो हमें ये देखना है कि this satisfied which of the equation. ये सॉल्यूशन इनमें से कौन से इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. लुक एट द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. इट सेज y सेम एज x. तो पहले इक्वेशन से, पहले वैल्यू से हमें पता चल रहा है कि x एंड y आर नॉट इक्वल. सो इट इज वेरी क्लियर दैट दिस कुड नॉट बी द इक्वेशन. x और y सेम नहीं है अकॉर्डिंग टू द वैल्यूज व्हिच आर गिवन. सो दिस कुड नॉट बी द इक्वेशन. दूसरा हम देखते हैं, x प्लस वाई इज 0. x और y का एडिशन 0 आ रहा है. सो लेट अस सी द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, दिस सेकेंड इक्वेशन. तो लेट मी राइट डाउन द इक्वेशन फर्स्ट, that is x plus y is 0. So let us substitute the values in the left hand side. पहले -1 plus 1, so we will obtain 0. Okay, हम second values रखते हैं. So it is 0 plus 0, we will obtain 0. Third equations में रखते हैं, मतलब third values रखते हैं. It's 1 plus -1, again we will obtain 0. That means this all the three values satisfied this equation. So we can say that the given graph is of this equation x plus y equals to 0. दोबारा समझ लो क्वेश्चन में क्या है, हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना था. हम उल्टा ऐसा समझ सकते हैं कि दिस कैन बी द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशन. ये जो सॉल्यूशंस दिए हैं, ये चार में से कौन से इक्वेशन के सॉल्यूशंस है. फ्रॉम द ग्राफ वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई. So let's do one more sum of the same type. Let us do this next one. Here it is the same kind of question, but this is the graph and these are the four options. So we have to find out this graph is of which of the following equations. So let us write down the solutions. Let us consider this x and y. So x1 y1 -1 and 3. This is one solution. Second is 0 and 2, x0 y2, and the third is x2 and y0. So now let us find out that which of this equation satisfy this values. किसको satisfy कर रहे. Let's go for the first equation, as it is y is equals to x plus 2. So the value of y, if I substitute y1 3, so left hand side is 3. So what would be the right hand side? It is x plus 2. X is -1 plus 2. So that comes 1. So you can see here, this cannot be fulfill this equations. This could not be the solution of this equation. x -1 and y3, ये equation का solution नहीं है. So this graph is not of this equation. दूसरा इक्वेशन हम देखते हैं. लेट्स गो फॉर द सेकेंड वन. इट्स y इज इक्वल्स टू x माइनस 2. दोबारा हम y रखेंगे एज इट इज y. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ y इज 3 एंड RHS, दैट इज x माइनस 2. So x is -1, -2. So that comes -3. So again we can see that 3 and -3 are not same. So again x and y is not the solution of second equation. So now we'll move towards the third number. अब हम third equation की ओर चलते हैं. The third is y is equals to -x plus 2. So let us substitute the value in the left hand side, that is 3, and RHS, which is -x plus 2 minus x, that means -1 and plus 2, so that comes 3. So we can see that this is the solution of this equation. We have to check for the rest of the two also. सिर्फ एक बार सॉल्यूशन मिल जाने से हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि दिस इज द इक्वेशन. सो लेट अस गो फॉर द सेकेंड. ये फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन के लिए था. अब सेकेंड x0 और y2. सो LHS y is 2 and RHS, that is -x plus 2, that is 0 plus 2, so that is 2. So this can satisfy the second also. So now obviously we can say that it satisfies the third one. Check कर लेते हैं. Third value x2 और y0 यहाँ पे रखेंगे. x2 और y0, तो y0 है और RHS में रखते हैं -x plus 2. The value of x is 2, so 2 plus 2, that is 0. So we can say that this all the values of x and y, they satisfy the equation number 3. So we can say that this is the graph of equation y is equals to -x plus 2.